Hey everyone, I gotta remove all this swirly marks all over this hood. I am going to be using my go-to lisser. I love this. This is a BATOCA brand. I had it for a year now. It's pretty good, pretty powerful. I've done quite a few cars with it and very little issues. I have not replaced the brushes yet, so let's see it go into action. Put it on setting number 5. Alright, that's it. You can see, and then you'll see. There's still some in there. I can still go. That's just experimenting which paste I'm going to use. Probably got to go with something a little bit heavier. Pretty good product. I do love it. And like I said, it's holding up pretty good. Hold this with one hand. It's about, I don't know really, about 10, 11 pounds. I wish they could do it a little bit lighter, but then when they make it lighter, they'll cost more money. So as long as they have a nice, powerful motor, we can do it, we can handle it. Thank you, BATOCA. I love your lisser.